Dear all, so now we are going to see the second program, which is the data transfer or exchange between specified memory locations. So, like we already discussed before the start of a program, always we have to understand what exactly the program is supposed to do. We have to understand about the inputs and the outputs. So, in this case, it is data transfer or exchange between specified memory locations. So, it is to exchange the data between two memory locations, and like in our lab, we are always using external memory for defining the inputs and for giving the outputs. So let us define the memory locations ourselves for this program. So this program will require two inputs. This is a random number A, B and C, D. You can give any other 8-bit number here, and the locations I am giving as 4500 and 4600. And the after running the program, the output should be like CD in 4500 and AB in 4600. So what should be the algorithm? The algorithm should be, it should take two input numbers from the memory, save it in registers, exchange the two numbers in the registers, save back the exchange numbers into the input memory locations. Okay, that is what the algorithm should. That is what the algorithm for this program is all about. Now let us see the program. So this is the program which I have defined. I'll point data pointer to 4500, which points to the first number location. We load the first number to A. Then that number, since data pointer data transfer instructions with DPTR always involves A, we are saving that in R0. Then the data pointer is pointed to the second number location. The number is loaded in A. So R0 and A is exchanged. So R0 will have number 2 and A will have number 1. Now the value number 2 is in R0. The value in R0 is in A. So number 1 is in A. That is saved to the location 4600. So number 1 goes to 4600. Then DPTR pointed to 4500. The in R0 now we have number 2. So that is loaded to A. Then A is then loaded to that location, which is 4500. So the two numbers will be exchanged. You can do this program in RAID and then show the results also. So this is the program which we have written in RAID with regard to the data exchange between the two memory locations. But the problem is XCH was not being recognized, so we have replaced that with the equivalent instructions for exchanging the data between the two locations. Now after that, build the project. You have to first add the assembly program to the project. If it's not being loaded, it will be loaded. If it's loaded, then it will show document already loaded. Then you have to build all. Then you have to start debug, start the session. So the execution is at the first line. Then go to the location 4500, give a number 54, press enter. Then you go to the location 4600, you give 45, enter. Now you run the program either line by line, which I have explained in our GMeet, or you press go, stop it, then see the locations 4500. You will be able to see 45, and in 4600 you will be able to see 54. Line by line execution, if you do, you will be able to see what is the output after the execution of each line. So that is the program with regard to data exchange. Thank you all. Bye.